How much should you really spend on a Bluetooth turntable? Because here's the thing, cheap ones sound tinny, expensive ones might not deliver, and half of them look the same. But the real value isn't always in the price tag. Let's cut through the noise and find the ones that actually work.
Product number 1. Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT. This is a no-frills, fully automatic turntable from a brand known for serious audio gear. At $259, it sits right in the sweet spot between budget and premium. If you want reliable Bluetooth playback without fiddling with settings, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses Bluetooth with aptX codec support, which means better sound quality over wireless, less compression, clearer highs. The belt drive system and die-cast aluminum platter reduce vibration, so your records play smoother and last longer. Plus, it's fully automatic. Drop the needle, it stops at the end. No more guessing. It handles both 33 and 45 RPM records, and the built-in preamp lets you plug into powered speakers or headphones instantly. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling a bit light. Here's the thing though, it's designed to be lightweight to reduce resonance, and Audio-Technica uses high-quality internal damping to compensate. It won't feel like a vintage wooden unit, but it performs way better than it looks. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, simple setup that just works. Great for apartments, dorms, or anyone new to vinyl. Skip this one if you're building a high-end analog system and want full manual control. For the price, it's one of the most dependable options out there.
Product number 2. Angel's Horn Bluetooth Turntable. If the AT-LP60XBT felt too basic, the Angel's Horn offers a totally different vibe, literally. At $239.98, this is an all-in-one turntable with built-in speakers, wood finish, and a retro look that doubles as home decor. If you want style and convenience in one package, this stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has 4 built-in speakers powered by a phono preamp, so you can play records right out of the box without extra gear. The Bluetooth 5.0 lets you stream from your phone, and the belt drive system with adjustable counterweight gives surprisingly good tracking for the price. The die-cast aluminum platter helps keep speed stable, and the magnetic cartridge delivers warm, detailed sound. Plus, it plays 7, 10, and 12-inch records at both speeds. Now, some people complained about the speakers sounding a bit flat at high volumes. Here's the thing though. They're fine for background listening or small rooms, but if you want room-filling sound, you'll want to connect external speakers via RCA. It's not a flaw, just a limitation of built-in audio. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish centerpiece that plays records and streams music without extra setup. Skip this one if you already have a good sound system and don't need built-in speakers. For the look and ease of use, it's a solid pick.
Product number 3, Audio-Technica AT-LP70XBT. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for sound purists. The Audio-Technica AT-LP70XBT at $318.49 is a step up in both build and performance. It keeps the Bluetooth convenience, but adds serious audio engineering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The J-shaped tone arm is designed to reduce tracking errors. That means less wear on your records and clearer sound. The 3-piece chassis dampens resonance better than most, and the included VM95C cartridge is part of a modular system, so you can upgrade the stylus later without replacing the whole cartridge. It's fully automatic, has a built-in preamp, and supports aptX for high-quality wireless audio. This is one of the few Bluetooth turntables that audiophiles actually respect. Now, some people complained about the plastic construction again. Here's the thing though. Audio-Technica uses advanced damping materials and a rigid frame to minimize vibration. It doesn't feel heavy, but it sounds far more refined than its weight suggests. This is perfect for you if you care about sound quality but still want wireless freedom. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't plan to upgrade your setup later. It's a long-term investment in better vinyl playback.
Product number 4, ClearSoul 1S. If the last two felt too clinical or plain, the ClearSoul 1S brings vintage charm with modern guts. At $169.98, it's the most affordable here, but don't let the price fool you. It punches above its weight. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has 4 built-in speakers, 2 15-watt woofers, and 2 10-watt tweeters that actually deliver rich, balanced sound for a compact unit. The Bluetooth input and output means you can stream to it or send vinyl audio to wireless headphones. The AT3600L cartridge and adjustable counterweight gives surprisingly good tracking, and the built drive system keeps things smooth. Plus, the walnut finish and retro design make it a conversation starter. Now, some people complained about needing a break-in period. The sound improves after a few hours of play. Here's the thing though, that's common with new cartridges and speakers. Just play a few records at medium volume, and it opens up nicely. This is perfect for you if you want style, decent sound, and Bluetooth flexibility on a budget. Skip this one if you need pro-level audio or plan to connect to a high-end system. For under $170, it's a steal.
Product number 5, 1Q by CureSoul. The 1Q, another CureSoul model, but with a few key upgrades. At $189.98, it's slightly more refined than the 1S, with Bluetooth 5.4 and better resonance control. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3-point support structure isolates the turntable from vibrations, which means cleaner sound, especially important if you're placing it on a shelf or table. The 4 full-range speakers use crossover tech to separate highs and lows, so music sounds fuller. It still has the AT3600L cartridge, built-in preamp, and supports both Bluetooth input and output. The auto-off feature is a nice touch. No more records spinning forever. Now, some people complained about the weight. It's 13 pounds, so not easy to move around. Here's the thing though, that weight helps stability and reduces unwanted movement during playback. It's a trade-off for better sound. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy, all-in-one player that sounds great without extra gear. Skip this one if you need something portable or ultra-minimalist. For under $200, it's one of the best blends of form and function.
So which one's right for you? The AT-LP60XBT is the reliable workhorse. The Angel's Horn wins on style and all-in-one ease. The AT-LP70XBT is for sound quality seekers. The ClearSoul 1S gives you the most for under $170, and the 1Q adds better build and Bluetooth 5.4. All 5 deliver real value, just depends on what you prioritize. Drop your pick in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're spinning.